So for the second shelf, I'm using this tray here, or napkin holder. If you see my other videos, I kind of repurpose this a lot. I'm going to use this for my syrup holder. I'm going to put that like right there in the middle. And I'm using the Da Vinci syrups. I'll link all of these in my description. Next, I'm going to put my coffee stuff up here. So, my Bustelo and my instant coffee. I have this glass bowl. I'm going to put my gold spoons in. That'll go on the side right there. The next thing I have is like my sugar container. I have my granulated sugar, brown sugar, and cinnamon, and I am going to refill these. I'm going to stick this on the side right here. And then for the vase flowers, I will link this too. I have these. To give it a pop of color. I'm gonna put this over here in the corner.